Alright, sled racer. You gonna show me how fast you can go?
Now?
Yeah.
Why?
Everybody wants to see.
I thought you were going to go after me.
I am. You go first, then I'll go. I'm gonna film you. Alright, Dee Dee? Alright, go. I hear the giggling in the distance. What do you think, Dee? Is that fun? Huh? Does that look like fun? Murphy wants no part of it.